This is the Meerkat in for D7 with the broad market review for March the 23rd, 2017, as the markets are marking time. Well, the House decided to delay vote on the healthcare issue, and so the markets did drop back to neutral for most of the markets. And of course, the VIX took off and uncertainty. So let's take a look at the numbers here. SPY at minus 0.15, the Dow minus 0.05, the Q's down 0.25, and now the small cap Russell here up 0.58, and Bank was up 1% today, 1.05, and the VIX was up 2.4% here. It popped up big time, especially this afternoon, as they announced they were going to delay the vote. Again, this is opinion. I don't understand why everyone's so fixated on just this one bill, but what I think doesn't matter. It's what the market believes is going to happen. So again, we're kind of marking time here till this vote is taken. As far as gold and silver here, we were a little bit mixed there. Gold down a little bit, silver up just a fraction. And then we have oil. It was down another 1% today. And then we have the dollar creeping up here. And then the trend trade, nope, no trend trade today, as it closed at 1.6. Well, let's take a look here at the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, on the daily chart here. And look at this. From back here on the election, we ran up and we went sideways till the inauguration. Then we ran up, and now it's like, are they going to actually do what they say they were going to do, be able to pass it? And so that's why we're just kind of sitting down here. After this huge big down day here on Tuesday, we've just been marking time the last 2 days here. Let's take a look at the Dow. Pretty much the same thing. Ran up. Big down day here on Tuesday, and then just marking time. And the Qs, big down day, marking time. Now, the only one that's a little bit different than that, of course, is the Russell here. It's not been as bullish as the rest. Big down day, and now it's working its way back. But this is a major line. This is actually the opening line for 2017, and you can see it has not been up very much this year at all. Right now we are currently negative on the year, but it did bounce off the 100 moving average, and now it's having some trouble getting past this resistance line. This ended up being a resistance line and support line. As you can see, all the way back here, it's been just sticking there, sticking there, sticking there. So what's going to happen next? I don't know. But what are the odds here? We're definitely more bearish than we are bullish. And again, apparently the markets are waiting until this vote is taken. So that could take place tomorrow. That could take place next week. Who knows? And so D7 is on vacation. Good time to take a vacation. Of course, usually when he's on vacation is when we get the big down day, isn't it? So this is Mark the Meerkat here. Trade safely and trade well.